me, baby. Everything is safe at last.
What are you gonna do now that you're not evil?
My friends, you have taught me to be proud of who I am. And that is Sponge Glob.
Sponge Glob?
I will right the wrongs of my past and make amends throughout the universe.
He was born a giant booger. That means something with a nose that big created him. And think how big you'd have to be to have that big a nose.
Old Hermit Crab, we couldn't have done it without you. We owe you a big play. What?